Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this challenge. So go to Wheel of Names and type in 1 to 16 or the max. I'm just going to do 16 and I'm just going to click to spin and hopefully I'll get a pretty high number. No, I can only wear 3 items. This is not a good start. Okay, so I can only wear 3 items on Dress to Impress. The theme is happy. So, you know what? I'm just gonna do Joy because I think that's gonna be a little bit easier. I actually don't know what she wears. So, I'm just going to. The nails do not count, so that's not even one yet. And I'm not going to count hair. I'm just going to count like items that like you wear. So, just keep that in mind before y'all start yapping about it. Just do the eyebrow here. Do her lips. I actually forgot what Joy looked like, so I'm just gonna. Okay. I need like a smiling one, of course, with this. Don't know if I should add a nose to it, not gonna lie. Okay. Again, I'm not gonna count the hair. I know y'all are gonna be mad about it, but I'm not gonna count it. Joy has like a weird. She has this kind of hair. I'm not gonna like lie. Don't really vibe with it, but we're just gonna go with it. Then she has this like green dress. Okay, so we now can only wear 3 items. So I'll just pick a dress and some shoes. And one more. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do. Don't know if I should do this dress. Oh, I think I'm gonna use this dress. What green is that? Let me just make it a little bit darker. And then I'll wear like a skirt because she actually has like a more ruffled skirt kind of vibe, like that. And then I'll just add in some shoes. What shoes does she wear? Like a white? Doesn't she not wear shoes? I'm confused. I'm like looking at the image right now. And she doesn't look like she's wearing shoes to me, but I'll just wear this and like make it white or something. I don't know. But okay, I'm just gonna adjust the skin tone a little bit. I think I'm gonna make it a little bit more yellow. And that's all I can wear. So let's hope for the best that I somewhat get like 4th place or something. But that is it for the challenge. I'm just gonna wait for them to vote and see the final result in a bit. Drum roll, please. Oh my god, of course I didn't place. So I placed 5th because I don't know, like what screams happy about this? But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button. As well, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!